Same old blurry clip. 3 different results, all from one app. Low resolution, heavy compression, old cameras, anime, noisy night shots. Reshooting isn't an option. You have to fix it in post. Inside Wondershare UniConverter, I get 2 AI engines in one place. For everyday bulk jobs, I use our own ultra-quality restoration. For extreme detail, I switch to Topaz Generative Enhancement. Our quality restoration AI is built for low-resolution performance. It's fast, it's stable, and it keeps your videos looking natural. Perfect when you've got hundreds of clips to clean up. You don't have to choose just one. UniConverter lets you pick the right AI for every clip. One app, 2 powerful AI engines. Quality restoration for fast, natural upscaling. Topaz for next-level detail. Try Wondershare UniConverter with built-in Topaz video enhancement and see how far your old videos can go. Ready for better quality? Grab UniConverter today.